Hello and welcome to another edition of Citi News Daily. My name is Zoe Abu-Baidoo. Coming up, health delivery at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital worsens as nurses abandon post. We'll bring you the details of this and many more stories here on Citi News Daily on Citi TV. The Mental Health Authority says the absence of striking nurses at the Accra Psychiatric Hospital is worsening the already dire situation at the facility. A visit to the hospital revealed that patients are feeling the impact of the strike as the facility has been kept untidy and smelly. Meanwhile, some of the patients now feed and take care of the rest of the patients. The nurses say there are no medical supplies to work with as a result of huge deaths. The Chief Executive Officer of the Mental Health Authority, Dr. Akwesi, tells Citi News that the situation has caused authorities to close down some of the wards. One of the nurses who spoke to Citi News Daily also said that they are willing to return if the working conditions are improved. We still stay with the health sector, where the Ministry of Health has set up cholera treatment centers in parts of Cape Coast to deal with the recent cholera outbreaks. Over 150 cases have so far been recorded. Speaking at a press conference today, the head of disease surveillance at the Ghana Health Service, Dr. Badusa, explained that the Public Health Emergency Management Committee has been activated to deal with the situation. An Accra High Court has dismissed a suit by the Progressive People's Party challenging the 50,000 Ghana cedis and 10,000 Ghana cedis the EC announced as filing fees for presidential and parliamentary nominees. The presiding judge said her court lacked the jurisdiction to hear the matter. The PPP had earlier argued that it did not have the capacity to pay the amount for its flag bearer and all its parliamentary nominees. The party filed an interlocutory injunction at the High Court 2 months ago, seeking to restrain the EC from going ahead with the receipt of the monies. This injunction prevented the EC from receiving the filing fees of the various parliamentary and presidential hopefuls, though it at some point accepted the filing fee of PPP flag bearer Dr. Papa Kwesi Nduom. And still with the PPP, the Supreme Court has abridged the date for the hearing of the Electoral Commission's suit challenging a recent High Court judgment in favor of the Progressive People's Party flag bearer Dr. Papa Kwesi Nduom. This means that the court will hear the matter earlier than it was originally scheduled. The presiding judge, Justice Gabriel Puaman, moved the date from next week to this Friday, November 4. He also ordered Dr. Nduom's lawyers to file their written submissions by noon tomorro6. And to our final story for today, where the Adontinghene of the Peki traditional area in the Volta region, Togbi Ayim Mode VI, has threatened to sanction some chiefs who endorsed the presidential candidate of the New Patriotic Party, MPP, Nana Addo. Togbi Mode dissociated the Peki traditional area from the endorsement by the chiefs during Nana Addo's tour of the Volta region last week. Few days ago, the Jasehene of the Peki traditional area, Togbi Takong Tutubrimpong, threw his weight behind Nana Addo's bid to become president of Ghana during his tour of Peki. Togbi Ayim Mode VI made the remarks when the Chief of Staff, Julius Debra, visited Peki as part of his tour of the Volta region. And that's how we end today's edition of Citi News Daily on Citi TV. Thanks for watching.